which is fiber to fabric. In this chapter we are going to study about how clothes are made and what are the things and what are the material used in the clothes, different type of clothes. First we are going to study about why clothes are important for us. हमें कपड़ों की क्यों ज़रूरत होती है. First thing we have to understand that clothes protect us from the sunlight, weather conditions and different it from insect bites also. It protect us and it make us look good. The clothing style, the dress you wear, the proper clothes you wear express your personality and show how good looking you are, or how it protect us from the different things. It protected from rain, snow, warm, hot, everything. Our body is protected by our clothes. Second, we are going to study about history of clothing material, from where clothes are discovered and from which time clothing are wearing by peoples. First we are going to study earlier, as we know, in the last time, in previous millions years ago, mainly men and women wear leaves and barks of the trees to cover their body. Slowly then the people come to know about things, plants and other materials. They start developing some clothes. They are making clothes from the plants, from animal skin, and they wear that clothes. They plant the leaves has to cover their body. After that we are going to study about the fibers and the fabric. What is fibers and what is fabric? First we are going to study about fabric. What is fabric? Any cloth made by yarns or fibers by weaving and knitting is called fabric. Anything which is made from yarns or fabric or a thread like structures or a threads, which is known as a fabric. Second, what is fabric? Fabrics are the made of loose threads called yarns. Fabric is mostly made by the threads which is known as yarns. As we know, our cloth is made up of small threads structured by so many threads are collected. Millions of threads is connected to each other, forming a structure to make a different type of clothes, to form a stylish cloth. The second thing we are going to study about type of fibers. How many types of fibers are there? There are mainly two type of fibers, natural and synthetic fiber. Natural fiber is mainly, as its name itself suggested, it natural fiber which we get from the nature in the form from plants or from animals. Synthetic fiber is man-made fibers which is mostly made in industries or different man made them in factories by using other raw materials and artificial material. So that is known as synthetic fiber. First we are going to study briefly about the natural fiber. What is natural fiber? Natural fiber, as we define it, what is the definition of natural fiber? The definition of the natural fiber is fibers obtained from plants and animals. Anything which is obtained from plants and animals like cotton, natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. In form of different plants and animals are used, and some of plants consist of some material which is used for making clothes, and animals also, some skin of animals or like silkworm and other things we get from the animals also. For example, cotton and wool are the example of natural fibers. Now we can further divide natural fibers into two parts, plant fibers and animal fibers. This two type is plant fibers and animal fibers. Now what is plant fiber and what is animal fiber? So as its name suggests itself, plant fibers means the material which is obtained from plants. Anything we get from plant is known as plant product, or a material which we use for making clothes from the plant is known as plant fibers. For example, cotton and jute. Cotton and jute are the fibers which are obtained from plants to make different type of materials for clothing and other things. Second is animal fibers. Animal fibers is also known as we can say that fibers which we get from animals is known as animal fiber, or the fiber which obtained from animal in different forms in different ways is known as animal fiber. Like wool, silkworm. Wool we get from sheep, and the silk we get from the silkworm. The silkworm produces silk, and the wool is produced by the sheep. It is taken from its body. That's why it is known as the animal fibers, etc. are the example. Now we are going to study what are the properties of natural fibers. Natural fibers, what are the benefits of natural fiber and what are the disadvantage of the natural fiber. As we know, natural fiber is the fibers which are obtained from plants and animals. First we are going to study about the first property of the natural fiber. What are the advantage of it? First advantage of the natural fiber is that it absorbs the sweat and water from our body. Any cloth which is made from the plant or animal fibers, which is made by the processing of nature fiber, they easily absorb water and sweat from our body, which make our body clean and dry in summer seasons. Second thing is it allow air to pass through it. When we wear the clothes which is made up of from natural fibers, they allow the air to pass through them. The clothes absorb water, they absorb the sweat, and also make our body breathe and feel free. Third, they are biodegradable. What is biodegradable? Biodegradable means the thing which get decomposed by the nature, and we can easily recycle it. We can use it in different forms. That's why it is known as a biodegradable. Biodegradable simply means the things which get decomposed in nature by the help of nature itself. The disadvantage of these natural fibers are: first, it shrink very easily. When we wash the clothes which are made by natural fiber, like cotton clothes, as you all know, the cotton clothes, when we wash the cotton clothes daily by daily, it gets slowly it getting shrink, it becomes shrink. So the main disadvantage of the natural fiber is that it gets shrink easily by washing regularly. Second thing, it attracts the molds and molds. It attracts the insect towards itself. Natural fiber materials, clothes made up of natural fiber, they attract the different type of insect towards them, and this insects harm our body. Third, they do not dry rapidly. When we wash the clothes which are made up of a natural fiber, they take so much time to get dry, and they do not get dry rapidly. So this is the first. In this video where we have studied about what is the fibers, what is yarns, what is natural fibers, type of fibers, and different type of the fibers, and the advantage and disadvantage of the natural fiber. Your work you have to write all this thing in your notebook in a proper manner. What are the type of the fibers, what is the definition of fabric and yarns, what are the natural fiber, what are plant fibers, and what are the properties of the natural fiber. You have to maintain your notebook